How to grow lashes at home in just 1 week. Don't waste money on lash extensions. Do this instead. In today's video, I'll share all my secrets. How to achieve long and healthy eyelashes. These are tried and true methods that I've gathered from real people who have seen real results, so if you're ready to get those along, luscious lashes, keep watching. Step 1: castor oil. I started using castor oil on my lashes 3 weeks ago. And while I've seen some growth, it's important to be patient. Castor oil is a miracle worker, but it does take time. So, those are my top tips for growing your lashes naturally. Let's start with one of the most effective ways to grow your lashes. Pure castor oil. Forget about those expensive serums. Castor oil is the real deal. All you need is a clean mascara wand. Dip it into the castor oil and gently apply it close to your lash line before bed. Remember, you only need to do this about 3 times a week. Trust me, it's more than enough to see results. Step 2: coconut oil. Next up is coconut oil. This stuff is like magic in a bottle. Not only does it help your lashes grow, but it also works wonders for your cuticles, nails, skin, and hair. If you're worried about it irritating your eyes, just try it on one side first. I like to take a little bit on my finger or a Q-tip and gently rub it onto my lashes. It's super easy and really effective. Step 3: Vaseline. Now, I need to clear up a big misconception using Vaseline on your lashes. Oh my god! I know you've probably seen it all over YouTube, but please don't do it. Vaseline can actually cause milia, those small white bumps under your eyes, and it's dangerous for your eyes. While Vaseline might work wonders for your lips, it's a big no for your lashes. Step 4: healthy diet and clean lashes. Another important tip is to keep your lashes clean and avoid rubbing them. Clean lashes are happy lashes. But it's not just about what you put on your lashes. What you eat matters too. A diet rich in fruits, nuts, eggs, and salmon can make a big difference. Thanks for watching. Castor oil on my lashes. These tips on how to grow lashes at home in just 1 week helped you. Remember, consistency is key. Try these methods and let me know how it works for you in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell for more beauty and self-care tips. Until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.